Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix action block Instagram. First of all, we will discuss how this error occurs or when this error occurs. This error occurs when you like a post or you try to comment on a post or you want to try to follow someone on Instagram. So without wasting any time, we will shift towards the solution. The first solution is that what you have to do is you have to open your Instagram. After that, you have to click on three lines. After three lines, you have to click on setting and you have to scroll down and you have to log out your Instagram account from that device. After logging out, what you have to do is to check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is occurring again, what you have to do is you have to uninstall your Instagram app from that device. After uninstalling, what you have to do is you have to install a VPN from the Play Store. As I have already installed it, so I don't have to install it. So I am going to open the VPN. After opening VPN, what you have to do is you have to connect that VPN to your internet connection so that your IP address can be changed. After VPN is connected, now your IP address has been changed. Now you can install a new version of Instagram from the Play Store. After you install a new version of Instagram from the Play Store, your problem will be solved. If this doesn't work, then there is also another solution, which is as that you have to open your Instagram account and you have to click on three lines, and after that you have to click on settings. After that you have to click on help. After that you have to click on report a problem and you have to report that problem to Instagram team so that they can solve it for you. Here you can explain what the problem is occurring to you and so that Instagram can understand it in a better way. You can also attach a screenshot of the problem from your device, and you can also attach a screenshot from the gallery from your phone. After doing all that, you can click on next button and your problem will be submitted to Instagram team. After that, you have to wait for few days so that you can get an email from the Instagram that your problem has been solved. Hope you have liked this information. Kindly like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.